Chris, do a little burnout.
Burnout?
Burnout.
Niggas wanna
Wait,
end
do a
up in the
burnout.
fucking bushes, bro.
Do you think I can do a burnout? I mean, mine's real real.
Yeah, let's see.
How do you do it though? How do you do it?
So you go to drive, hold the brake.
Oh yeah, it gotta be over there, Angel.
Angel, it gotta be in the middle. Do it in the middle for me. Angel, what? That's security right there. Hold on. Angel!
Chill.
Angel! Nah, don't do it.
That's security right there. Hold on.
He's coming back. He's coming back.
Let's go.
You can turn off your lights, I guess.
Angel!
What?
That's security!
No! Okay, so teach me how to do it, right?
Alright. Hold your brakes. Step on the gas all the way. So you're basically gonna go like that. Go like that.
Oh, okay.
You have traction control on?
Yeah, I gotta turn it off.
You did it. Really? Yeah. You did it for like a split second.
Fuck. I'm kind of scared to do it.
Why? Hold on.
Nah, don't do it. Don't do it here.
Yay.
Hold on, let me back up a little bit.
No, we gotta
Yeah, we
Why do you really love Tia? My boy has that heart. Just come right boy, right girls in the party. Hey, so you up with my friends. Ran up in jail, get solid.
I haven't tried it actually. Oh my nigga, what? They got the. What's up? We on that or what? We on? This nigga got a hickey. Get his shit.
We'll be having fun at night.
Should we? This is a spot now. This is a spot. Nah, who's gonna give me a hickey?
Yo.
What else you gonna get? What else you guys gonna get? I don't know. I actually do need a drink though. Got that getting me a root beer now.
Get a lemon to calm down.
You know, if you mix alcohol with diet,
Yeah, wey. Fuck that. I know,
How you doing?
Cool.
Yeah, bro, he's gonna go for you now. Hey, look, bro.
hey, make sure gets a good side too.
Bro, I'm fucking scared of someone's gonna try to steal my bike.
We on it over there.
I'm ready to fucking run over there.
But they're gonna be gone before you get there.
Got the blade.
I'm gonna run to if I with that nigga too, right?
I'll be like,
She steals this bitch and be like,
what's up, fool? What's up, fool?
This is a hot boy, bro.
And he's gone, that's why.
So
Like,
what?
I'm
So what?
actually sober.
So what? You're gonna make it official tomorrow?
He's gonna ask this girl
How
out.
you gonna ask?
I'm asking her out tomorrow.
How you gonna ask though?
I'm gonna be like,
Can't
I love
say
you,
no,
bitch.
yeah.
I ain't gonna stop loving you, bitch.
No, I think I'm gonna be like,
So,
okay, they say to me, no, yeah.
get her flowers, man.
Your flowers.
Make a little card.
Yeah,
Buy
and
that
be
bitch
like,
a flower or something.
make a big ass postcard.
Yeah.
Being as a mom. One thing I found out about girls, bro, is you gotta be creative with shit, bro. No, that ass, dude.
Say her email that says, will you be my girlfriend?
Fuck his girl wants something more exciting.
Chump effect.
Fucking is he at the benches over there at Roosevelt?
Nah.
Like the good old days, bro.
A coyote gonna come again, bro. He's gonna fucking eat us.
The coyote?
Yeah, last time there was a coyote.
Fucking, I got steel toe, bro. Fucking kick that nigga.
I fucking swung that shit out of him. That shit fucking.
Since you a bitch. Wait, how long did it say it was gonna take?
15 to 20?
Damn. Now let's go wait over there, bro.
How long has it been?
Go in there, John. It's been like.
Like 4 minutes.
No, it's been actually almost 15 minutes actually.
See that shit?
Trying to go in there.
Everybody fucking walked.
Yeah.
I gotta go in there, bro.
If I had money, I would have got the SC.
He took his fragrance.
Oh, boy, lucky he now knows, bro.
He took his fragrance bottle, and now he's gonna take his life.
So as soon as he gets up, we walking in, right?
Yeah.
She got little dookie stains on her shorts.
Huh? There's a dookie stain on
They're about to beat his ass, bro.
it. Don't jump that nigga.
Johnny's not scared, bro. He lets his nut hang.
Yeah.
Johnny doesn't.
I'd be shitty bricks, bro.
Hey, Johnny, bro.
Imagine we see the cop here and we tell him to rev it. Cop come back. So,
Johnny's ready.
look, he's got the kid. He's got the can in hand, bro. He's ready. He comes in like. he do a little weave.
We got the yee.
Hey, wait, how much ranch you got?
Just get more ranch.
He's about to
Get more
devour.
ranch.
You wanna buy one?
It's 99 cents, I think.
You know they just got done clapping.
Yeah, bro.
Now he's doing
Quick little
aftercare.
eats after clapping.
He's doing after.
He's doing a little aftercare.
Let's go.
I hate this bitch all the time.
Nah, he ain't dumb, bro.
Why? What happened? He didn't say anything.
He was looking down the whole time.
Bait.
Johnny, you're him, low key.
You're him.
Yeah, bro.
You're him, bro. You're him. Yeah,
Wait, let me do that.
Yeah, it smells good.
I think it's because it's tropical, I think, honestly.
It does probably Yeah.
So many fucking fruits.
It's like if you're tasting a fucking burnt.
I haven't done that yet, bro.
Yeah, have you gotten your ass eaten?
Not yet. Hopefully soon.
Hopefully soon.
Not crazy. This fool's gonna be bent over.
Alright,
Ask
ask everyone individually.
Have you gotten your ass eaten? Jose has, bro.
He's smirking.
There's a culprit right there. He ate my ass.
Nah, yeah, that's gay, bro.
Pointed at you. Alright, so like for real though, like everybody,
No. What?
everyone brings their girls, and we all just like switch to the right. Die. 5 minutes, whatever. Actually, like you guys aren't curious like how you like
His girl's boobs feel?
okay, but you guys. I'm not gonna agree to anything. You guys, from a nigga that says he slaps his own ass when he jerks off.